Hi, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omar, and today I'll show you how to make 3D curve in Solidworks. So let's go to Solidworks, New, Part, and select OK. For creating 3D curve, we need at least two sketches. Just changing my background to plain white. Let's choose front plane, and let's go to sketch, and I'll choose spline. Basically, 3D curves are used in surfacing. Some people use 3D sketches with splines, but I usually prefer 3D curves, which are easy to handle. So let's make a spline with these points, and just adjusting my spline, and that's it. So this is a sketch on a front plane. I'll sketch another I'll make another sketch on, let's say, top plane. Let's go to top plane, go to sketch, view normal, and I'll make another sketch on this top plane, right? So go to spline tool again, and I'll make a spline with these points, right? But you should remember that it will only project this spline to this spline up to here, right? So let's go to rotate view, and in fact select this point and this, and make let's say, in fact, let's go to rotate, and let's pick this point and this point and make vertical, right? Let's pick this point and this point and make vertical relation. So you can adjust this spline, and I think it's fine. Just go to features, and under curves go to project curve, and it is sketch on sketch because I have no geometry, so no face. And let's select this sketch is already selected. Let's select this sketch, and it has projected this sketch onto this sketch, right? You can see this preview. Select OK. So this is my 3D curve. As you can see, it is very difficult to create this 3D curve. You can create this 3D curve using 3D sketch, this option with the splines, but it's usually difficult. And I can see these sketches. So if let's say I want to see this 3D curve from the front plane, right? So this 3D curve is here, right? And it is the same curve as I can see from the front plane, right? It is the same projected curve, and this curve will be same, that is, will be parallel to this top plane curve, that is the second sketch, and it will overlap that sketch 2 which I created on top plane. So let's try another. Let's say just hide this and just hide this as well. So go to front plane, and let's say sketch some geometry, some very basic geometry, and let's go to let's say top plane again, and this time I'll project, in fact I'll sketch my geometry from here, right? Here to here, and up to here. So as I already told you that it will only project that this sketch onto this sketch up to here, right? Up to here and up to here, right? So let's watch it. go to features, go to curves, go to project curve. Just rotating my view for better visualization, and let's select this. So it has it has shown some yellowish preview, and as you can see that this preview is only up to here, right? It will discard this and this. So select yes, and this is my 3D curve, right? So I can use this show option, and it will overlap. Let's say if I want to see this 3D curve from front plane, so this is my sketch, right? Remember, it has discarded this portion and this portion because the other curve was only up to this. And let's say if I want to see this 3D curve, this bluish 3D curve from the top plane, and it will overlap with this sketch number 2. So it is very helpful command in SolidWorks under this curve option, project curve, and it will create very complex curves when you are dealing with complex surfaces. So let's say just last one, just hide this, in fact hide this. I can suppress it as well, selecting both and hiding these. Let's say go to sketch, and let's choose front plane, and let's sketch another spline. Okay, let's say I want to make a sketch this time on right plane, which will be perpendicular to that front plane, right? And view normal, and let's say I want to make a spline, a very rough spline, right? So remember that it will only project that spline, that is this spline, to this spline only up to here, right? It will only project this spline onto this spline up to here, right? Up to here. It will discard this and this, right? So let's watch it. Just go to features, go to curves, go to project curve, and let's select this, and it has shown this preview, and as you can see that it has projected this onto this only up to here, as you can see, right? So select OK, and let's go to third curve, view, and show visible. And as you can see from here, this is a very complex curve. You can see that if I want to see from here, it has overlapped, and let's say if I want to see from here, it has overlapped, right? This 3D curve is overlapped with this sketch. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you have learned this 3D curve. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, regarding this 3D curve, which is a very important tool, and if you are dealing with surfaces, so you can learn this and you can apply this on your surfacing commands. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions regarding to this tutorial or any other tutorial, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.